మనం ఇప్పుడు సరయూ నది తీరంలో ఉన్నాం. సరయూ నది అంటే ఏంది? అయోధ్య. అయోధ్యలో రాముడు జలకాలాడిన రామ్ పహిడి అంటారు దీన్ని. ఆ తీరంలో ఉండగా మనకి కాన్పూర్ నుంచి గుప్తా మనకి అందుబాటులోకి వచ్చారు. చాలా విషయాల్ని మేమిద్దరం డిస్కస్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం ఈ సాయంత్రం చల్లని సాయంత్రం పూట ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నాము. అసలు ఏంటి గుప్తా మనకేం చెప్పబోతున్నాడు అంటే హీ ఈజ్ సాఫ్ట్‌వేర్ ఇంజినీర్. కేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ కాన్పూర్. కాన్పూర్ అనగానే మనం బాగా గుర్తుకొచ్చే ఐఐటి. మన పిల్లలు చాలామంది అక్కడ ఐఐటిలో చదివిన పరిస్థితులు ఉన్నాయి. ఈ క్రమంలో అసలు ఈయన ఉదయాన్నే అయోధ్య రామ మందిర్ దర్శనం చేసుకున్నాడు. ఆ దర్శనం చేశాక అసలు ఆయన నుంచి కొన్ని అభిప్రాయాల్ని మనం తీసుకుందాం. ఎందుకంటే ఈయనకి హైదరాబాదీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నారంట. ఈయనకి సౌత్ ఇండియాతో కొంత రిలేషన్ ఉంది. ఆ రిలేషన్ ప్రకారం అసలు ఏంటి ఈయన ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు, ఇక్కడున్న ఈ రామ్ మందిర్ దానిలో పెట్టిన బ్లాక్ స్టోను అరుణ్ యోగి ఎలా పెట్టాడు దాన్ని, అసలు దానికి సౌత్ ఇండియాకి నార్త్ ఇండియాకి రిలేషన్ ఆ ఒక్క బాలరామ్ స్టాచ్యూతో ఎలా లింక్ పడింది అనే విషయాలు మేము కొద్దిగా డిస్కస్ చేయడానికి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాం. ఆయనదేమో హిందీ ఇంగ్లీషు, నాదేమో వీలైనంతగా తెలుగు కొద్దిగా ఇంగ్లీషు. ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ గుప్తా, వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ ఐడల్ దర్శన్?
Just after when I went to temple, so when first time when I saw this idol called Balak Ram, the consecration ceremony happened with Balak Ram name. So I was, fell into the past memories, the 90 memories when Kothari Bandhu and Kar Sevak was killed by the government of that time. So I was, my tears was in my eyes, and that's it. Yeah,
Okay.
I can't explain the words. The spirituality was on the high that time. Yeah,
You know what happened past days
yeah,
very well.
yeah.
What about your age?
My age is I'm just 21.
21.
Yeah,
मतलब फ्रॉम 92 दी अयोध्या राम मंदिर का इश्यू बहुत 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 हो गई.
yeah, but I was not that time. I was not actually born that time, but I saw. Actually, I lost my my uncle
Okay.
in one of the
Cause-
issue, the
yeah,
Hindu-Muslim
yeah,
issue
yeah,
in my
yeah.
locality.
Yeah.
So I lost him. I know the
You have
issue
one
very well.
relation.
Yeah,
Blood
I have
relation.
blood relation.
you have
my,
one-
my uncle was I lost in the issue of this Hindu-Muslim.
Okay. That's why
fights.
you have very much attention on this
Yeah,
issue.
I was following this every time.
Okay.
From the very beginning, from the very beginning of the court decision, and now the consecration ceremony on 22.
Ah. That's why you have very much connection about this Ram Mandir.
Yes, obviously.
How is that experience of Balak Ram ka statue? What is your explanation? What is your
Okay,
feelings?
Okay, sure. I can explain. So, the time when I saw the statue on my TV, my television, when the photos were leaked, so that time I thought, okay, it's like a normal idol, or a idol every mandir have. But the day when PM Modi gets into the Garbhagriha for this consecration ceremony called in Hindi Pran Pratishtha on 22nd Jan, the first scene of the idol,
Okay.
I was not there. I was completely shocked. What is this? This is the idol which looks like Tirupati
Tirupati
Balaji. And then I got, okay, so that's why they are choosing this. And that time I was not aware of the other two statues, other two idols. But I thought, okay, but the spirituality was high that time also, and we can connect both temples, both idols. The Tirupati idol was very old. We don't know who situated that, but the connection between south and north is building now.
Yeah.
Now I can see, I am here in Ayodhya right now. I can see the person, not only north, is coming from the south also.
Yeah.
And the numbers is very high. And I could say this is the first temple in north which is attracting south. This is the first temple in North India which is attracting South Indians. And the reason is the clear.
Mm.
The Ram
Mm.
and the Balakram idol.
Okay.
The shape of that idol and the glory of that idol, the
Mm.
charmlessness of the idol,
Okay.
everything is
Okay.
on the
Okay.
top.
I have one more question. You are North Indian people regularly trying to see the parlor milk stone,
Yeah.
white stone.
Be used to. Yeah.
No,
be
we
used
used to. Now a black stone came from your complete
in the big temple.
big temple.
I mean
big,
the biggest
mm.
idol. Okay. So basically, my mom, my father. Actually, I'm the only son. I don't have any sibling. So we are discussing everything in the family. So the day when the photos were leaked of the Arun Yogi's idol, the now which is in the Garbhagriha of this Ram temple, I was thinking why they have chosen the black idol, why this black stone. I can't say black idol. Sorry. Black stone idol called Syam Sila or Saligram in North India. In Hindi, we call it Syam Sila, black
Sila.
stone or Saligram. Saligram also is
Ram also Syam.
Syam. So basically they was black, but we can't say full black, but yeah, they were some blackness. So we used to see this white marble stones, the colorful stones basically, and the second stone, sorry, the second idol which made by the Rajasthan's artist for this Ram temple, but unluckily not unfortunately not chosen by for the Garbhagriha, but it also be situated in the Ram temple on the first floor or the second floor.
Okay.
But that they have created the white stone marble idol with the colors. But why the trust or why the every person is liking this idol, which is right now which is situated in the Garbhagriha or in the Ram temple, because it has that feelings. It consists those feelings in that stone only.
Okay.
We were not used to see black stone or Syamsala murti or idol in our temples. But the time when North Indians of the world, I cannot limit it to the North Indians or not the South Indians. When the world sees this temple in Ram Mandir the first time, they were in their spirituality on the high. So.
We also have an issue Arya Dravida, and also an issue from the North India, black and white issues. But the Modi Sarkar, oblique UP Yogi Sarkar,
Double engine
trying to link the black and white, link the South and North.
Obviously,
in this issue.
Definitely. I have one example of this.
Okay.
You know, Kasi Tamilingam connection. The people are coming from Tamil Nadu to visit Kasi, or right now we call it that Banarasi. So they are not. This is not the first time we are connecting the people. From the very beginning of this Modi government came into the picture. This BJP government came into the picture. They were trying to attach both. They are filling the gap. We are not different.
Okay.
I'm North Indian, and you can see I'm not white. And not, if we went into the history, Indians were never white.
Okay.
Brown or some kind of we cannot say the white. It's not white. So it's not not only for North Indians. Everyone is now, and we are Indians. Everyone is now coming to Ayodhya, and everyone is coming to the Ram temple, and I could say there is no gap right
now. You remember both things. First thing is Varanasi to Rameswaram. The people are trying to visit Varanasi. Then after they go to Rameswaram, then they relax from that yatra.
Yeah.
And other one is Adi Shankaracharya, who came from Kerala. He is also South Indian, Keralite. Then he came to North India, Himalayas. Then he Antardhan ho gaya.
He went.
This is also a second relevant to the South North Indian combo.
Actually, what happened in the past or in recent years or in the so no one was looking for the connecting the people. Everyone was or every party, every government was who were there was trying to separate.
Okay.
It is kind of we were in the politics.
Yeah.
But now this government, I cannot say a specific name, but now this government which is in the in the right is in the power right now, connecting the people, filling the gaps, and now we could say everyone is Indian. There is no South Indian, no North Indian.
Yeah.
There is only Indian.
You are, I think you are earlier generation, younger generation.
Yeah, I'm 21. Yeah.
But the people are still Madrasi.
They are saying they used to call South Indian Madrasi.
Putting down him called Madrasi. Oh, Madrasi. It's a wrong word to
To South Indian guys, right?
Yeah.
So basically, what is happening not only in North India, it was happening in South India too. I hear from a lot of people of North India, when they are visiting to South India, they are not treating good. The treatment was not good. So this is kind of revenge. Everyone is taking. Everyone was taking not right now. When the people from North India is going to South India, they are not getting good treatment.
Yeah, really.
Because when they ask for the to rickshaw wala, can you go there? Can you please drop me there? They are not the treatment which North Indian was getting not good, but at the same time South Indian was getting this good treatment because they know their
Good
language.
treatment in North India, South Indian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, what is happening? The language gap, because the language was the barrier that time, but now I can see Hindi is spreading all the India. Every government is teaching Hindi as a main subject, and now in the curriculum it was teaching from recent years, and now I can see the people which is coming from south to north speaking Hindi, and people is going from north to south speaking English or any other regional language or Hindi basically, not English or not any Hindi. So now South Indian, now the South Indians are supporting them. They are treating them more than their South Indians guys.
Okay.
So now the mindset is changing
Change.
from the very younger generations.
One more question. Ram Mandir में बालक राम came from South India.
Yeah.
दिल्ली पार्लियामेंट में एक प्राइम मिनिस्टर
From
ऑल्सो साउथ इंडिया आने के कोई रास्ता है?
For that, I understood the question. You are the question which I got from you. That is why there is no prime minister from the recent years from South India.
Yeah.
I have the valid answer for this. Modi came into the picture in 2014, right? BJP came into the 2014. Before that, we know we had Congress, and the prime ministers came from South India from Congress. So what happened when BJP came into the picture? It's just like 10 years is going to be this year. So we have seen only two governments, 5 years, two governments from 2014, 2019, and 2019 to 2024. This year we will have elections. So we can't say this BJP didn't give a chance to a South Indian to become a prime minister or to become on a good level. But you can see we have Vice President as Venkaiah Naidu.
Venkaiah Naidu, Vice President also
Not
low grade power.
Not President don't
Already President,
don't have that much power like prime ministers in this democratic country.
Indian
But coming to your question back, the prime minister will be one day the prime minister will become from South India, but
from BJP.
From BJP. But for that,
Who is that personality?
I cannot say exactly, but we have some names. We know from South India, but for that, South Indians need to do one thing.
As a North Indian guy, you allow the South Indian Prime Minister?
Definitely. I allow. Why I allow Gujarati? Narendra Modi is not actually from
yeah,
from
yeah.
north. He's
Yeah.
from west.
You have some hope from you, Yogi,
Yogi. Or
to
see,
become Prime Minister.
we have,
Ah.
but you know the problem is in Yogi, the Hindu-Muslim factor.
Oh,
When
yeah.
Yogi
Oh, yeah,
becomes into the picture,
Ah.
Muslims are
Mm.
Muslims still Muslim likes Modi because they know Modi was in the power for 9 years and is going to be 10 years, but he didn't never take any big actions against Muslims.
Anti-Muslim action.
See, the CA or amendment will were there,
But the RSS seeks Yogi Tarah Prime Minister.
kind of Yogi Prime Minister.
Yeah.
But see, if Yogi will become, is there any chance if Yogi will become Prime Minister, that will be very good for Sanatan, for Hindu. And I'm not saying it is going to be bad for Muslims or any other religion.
Yeah.
This is not any.
In UP, there is any bad circumstances to Muslims?
Yeah, you can see bulldozer or on many homes.
Bulldozer
Now he called his bulldozer
gone
Baba.
to rowdies dadas, not a general Muslim.
See,
No.
if suppose if one person from your community is punishing by any government, anyway, he is guilty or he's whatever, but the feelings which is coming in your heart, which is coming in your mind,
Okay.
is disturbing you.
Okay.
Is disturbing your mind.
Yeah.
So that's why
it's fact.
So so coming back to the last question, if
South India.
South Indian Prime Minister have any chances to become Prime Minister, South Indians have any,
Particularly from BJP.
particularly from BJP. So for that, South India need to be do one job. They need to be. They need to get. They need to be. Give some powers to BJP. Like we have seen in the last this Lok Sabha elections, Parliament elections, this member of Parliament elections. What happened from 3 to 4 states? BJP was not there on a single seat. So
Yeah.
and the regional parties cannot become the national party in
Alliance.
1 day or in 1 year or in 5 years.
Okay.
We can see TMC. It is not going to be Mamata is not going to be Prime Minister. He's not from South, but he's from Pashchim Bengal or he is from
East
no,
India.
Northeast, East India or this Northeast side is covering this Assam and Seven Sisters. But if we want, if South Indians, I'm not dividing India in two parts. I don't want to be. If Indians want to a Prime Minister from the South, so they need to be, they need to do one job. They if they want it, they need to do one job. They need to support Modi. They need to support BJP in South India.
Yeah.
Because if South India
You are telling as a representative of
no,
BJP.
I'm not representing, but we can see if suppose we have two states. In one state we have one government that is from BJP, and one state we have government from other party or any regional party. So if we don't have any seat there, so how we will can say the candidate will come from there?
Let's go to Pakka local. We have two national parties.
Okay.
One TDP, Chandrababu Naidu.
Yeah.
You recognize?
Yeah.
Then another, recently Telangana Rashtra Samiti become Bharat Rashtra Samiti.
Okay.
KCR.
Chandrasekhar Rao. Yeah.
K. Chandrasekhar Rao.
Chandrasekhar Rao.
Yeah. He also trying to become a national-wide spokespersonality, statesman, and etc. He is a desire to become Prime Minister. There is any chance to Bharat Rashtra Samiti? You listen that Bharat Rashtra Samiti?
I know, but if you can pick 10 people from this area, this Ramgi Paddy from right now we are where we are right now. 9 of 10 people don't know. BRS. Because the problem is BJP, now we have only 2 parties in picture. Or we can say 2 alliances. India or BJP.
India.
So now
NDA.
India. Yeah, NDA and India. Sorry, yeah, NDA and India. So now if you say, if you are going to ask the here or BRS or another regional party, they don't know. If they want any CM, if they want any Prime Minister, not CM they have. So if they want Prime Minister from South India, they need to be in a single party. I mean, I'm not talking about the merger. I'm talking about the powers. They should elect MPs from south states, which are belong from BJP or which are from BJP, and they need to be support. Then only we can think about it. We can say something.
In your observation, there is a national party like Aam Aadmi.
Yeah,
Recently,
they have won Punjab. Yeah.
recently it came into the limelight.
Yeah.
Recently, a
Recently.
national party.
Yeah.
In your eyes, within your premises.
I'm in
in
IT,
your
so
knowledge
I'm
also.
NCR, so I
Uh.
know because they are doing very good job in Delhi. But Delhi have different geographical
Why
conditions.
the South India doesn't take any national party?
Okay, so you are
like
I got your
this,
question. So why not any South Indian party will become a national party?
No.
Again, which we were talking about the very long, the language barrier. You know, right now, after this Ram Mandir, after this 370, BJP is in every mind. Not in North Indians. No, we are not limited to North Indians or South Indians. Every Indian, even every community knows that. If anyone is doing the job, that is BJP in central.
Okay.
So if any South Indian party will want to be in central, they need to suffer very long.
Huh?
They need to suffer. They need to be work very longer
Okay.
for 20 years or 30 years.
Okay.
Because I can say
Like BJP.
like BJP. BJP
In national issue.
in national issues.
Ah.
Because they are fighting for their state issues. They are fighting for rivers. They are fighting for water. So it is not going to be, it is not going to work in the national, level. So when we are think about prime minister, when we are think about central, we need to be solve the central problem. We need to be solve the national issues. We need to be raise the national issues.
I think, according to your words, there is no chance to a national party came from South India.
For coming 20 years.
For
Because
coming 20
after
years.
this consecration ceremony of Ram Temple,
But
BJP has deserved 2 elections. BJP has won 2014, BJP has won 2019 again. I am saying if there is no Modi in 2019, BJP will come in the picture. And this time they are targeting 400 plus. I don't know about 2019.
Okay, yeah. I am asking you an extreme question.
Okay.
Why the South Indians are demand the own country?
See, when you are getting that treatment, if any South Indian will come into the North India or in this Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, they are not getting good treatment. They are charging more than So the mindset of the people, and
Charging more in South India?
no, charging more in North India from
North
South
India.
India. Because the language is the barrier. So this is the small things. I'm not talking about they are asking for the separate country for this issue. No, this is the small things. So these small things will become bigger pictures, bigger issues for the longer run, for the coming years, for the 10 years or 20 years. Kind of comparison between South Indian and North Indians have the South Indians have that mindset to own their country, to get their country, and this is not happening only in South India. You can see Khalistan. Punjabis are Punjab. They are asking for Khalistan, Khalidar, and they all. I mean, they are working for it.
East Pakistan, West Pakistan,
So,
Khalistan, Gurkhaland.
Khalistan, yeah. So basically, when you say South Indians are asking for different country, so this is again if we go into the very past, Litte and all. So I don't want to go into that deep, but yeah, right now everyone is happy, everyone want to be India, and there is no comparison between South and North Indian. Everyone is Indian, and now the North India is.
But our South Indians are not happy with the North Indian parties and North Indian leaders' attitude and also taking policy. We are paying much more GST, but we are not taking that type of treatment from the central government. Even though our South Indian Nirmala Sitharaman, financial ministry,
Yeah.
even though we can't taking much more from that lady finance minister. Yeah,
You
he's
have,
also,
yeah, you have a
belongs
valid,
to
you had a valid point. You have finance minister from South India
South Indian.
and Nirmala Sitharaman, obviously. But
Mm.
the problem is again the government
Uh,
in your state. we
डबल
have-
सरकार होना पड़ेगा.
yes, again
Uh,
BJP को power में आना पड़ेगा.
but
South Indians need
there
to be
is no
select.
chance to double sarkar from South India due
No.
to that land also always try to elect pakka local.
Because they scared.
Mm.
Because why they scared? They think South Indians think if northern parties will become into South India, so the kind of the level of the the level of lifestyle, the living level, they will lost. The level which are having there right now, they will lost if not. But this is not exactly correct. This is not actually correct. So I can say BJP need to be we need to be they need to going to be choose the people, the leaders from
From
the
South
very
India.
pakka local word you are
Oh,
using,
yeah.
from the very ground level.
Mm.
They need to raise
Expose.
them, expose them.
Mm.
They need to be they need to elect stand in the elections, the coming elections or in the state elections. I think mine is not always every time.
Okay.
Minds are we have our minds, and every time we are changing, right? We are observing the things and then we are taking the decision. So I think this will become clear in the future. We can't
I think I think you listen my words perfectly.
yeah.
I have some problem
No,
with
no,
the North Indian.
that's fine.
Uh-huh.
Because, but I never
I have some dissatisfactions because of I'm South India. मेरे को आदमी इधर नई प्राइम मिनिस्ट्री में नहीं है. दो जनों एक ही दो जनों. Even though PV Narasimha Rao only the person which administrate 5 years, 5 long years.
yes
There is no other person.
other person
Other
from
South
South
India.
India.
We have so much dissatisfaction in that area. That's why we are always trying to tell the North Indians.
yes
It is our dissatisfaction. This in this Ayodhya Ram temple, we grandly entered Balram Sila. We
Balagram Murthy.
Balakram Murthy.
Yeah.
We also wish a Pradhan Murthy in Parliament.
See
Mm.
the way which can connect South Indian, North Indian with hearts, with minds. That is spirituality.
No.
No,
You,
I'm
you,
talking
you
about
are a fully saturated person. Belongs to North India. I am not saturated in the political arena. I am still have thirsty from political
aspects.
higher seats,
Yeah.
higher
No,
positions.
you are right.
Mm.
But I'm not talking about that way.
Yeah.
I'm saying the language barrier is can fill by the spirituality.
Okay.
The people which is coming from South India to visit this Ayodhya Ram temple and Dham. So this can fill that gap. But again, if we go to politics, everyone wants their person in the ministry. Everyone wants their person in the parliament. So that is again that will be the question for next time. But again, we could say it will be decided in the coming future for coming years. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.